Same objective as every other day this week, to express an algebraic expression with positive exponents only. Here's the first practice. Try this one and bring it up. Step 1 here is to multiply through by the -2 exponent to come up with 3 to the -2, x to the -4, and y squared over 4 to the -2, x to the -2, and y to the 4th. Now move your negative exponents where you must. This 3 to the -2 goes to the bottom and becomes 3 squared. This goes to the top and becomes 4 squared. The x's will trade positions, become positive, and the y's stay where they're at because their exponents are positive. And now simplify 4 squared to get 16, and then simplify 3 squared to get 9. Everything else stays the same for now, but now you can reduce. 16 over 9 is going to stay, but you have the larger x on the bottom. 4 minus 2 is 2. And the larger y is on the bottom. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here's another one. Bring this one up. Multiply through by the -1 exponent to get 4 to the -1, x to the second, y to the -6, over 3 to the -1, x to the -1, y squared. Then move according to the negative exponents. You will have a 4 on the bottom and a 3 on the top. And since they're to the first power, they stay the same. X to the second stays on top. X to the first will go with it. Y to the second stays on the bottom. And y to the -6 goes with it, becomes positive. And now we can simplify. 3 over 4 will stay the same. But now you'll have x to the third on the top and y to the 6th on the bottom. Yeah, that should be y to the 8th on the bottom. Y to the 8th.
Why would you?
Start off by multiplying through by the -3 exponent to get 2 to the -3rd, x to the 6th, y to the -12th, over 5 to the -3rd, x to the 9th, y to the 6th, and move stuff around as needed. You're going to have your 5 to the 3rd going to the top and 2 to the -3rd going to the bottom, becoming positive. And then with your x's, they can stay. But you have a y to the 6th that stays on the bottom and a y to the 12th that goes with it from the top. Now up here we're going to have 125 in place of 5 to the 3rd, and we'll leave everything else the same. 2 to the 3rd is 8. Leave everything else the same. And now we go back and simplify the variables. 125 and 8 will remain, but your larger x is on the bottom. The difference is 3. You have 2 y's on the bottom, so you add those together to get y to the 18th. Start off by multiplying by the -2 exponent to get 2 to the -2, x to the 6th, y to the 4th, over 3 to the -2, x to the 4th, y to the 8th. Move your negative exponents where needed. You'll have 3 to the 2nd on top, 2 to the 2nd on bottom. The x's stay where they're at. They're both positive, and so are the y's. Now we can simplify a little bit and make this 9 over 4 from the 3 squared and 2 squared, and we can go ahead and simplify these. Largest one is on the top, difference is 2. Larger on the bottom, difference is 4.